Ladies and gentlemen, the colors of India have a unique ability, and that is to mesmerize everyone with its unique culture and heritage. Welcome to the 54th IFFI. This festival is the epitome of Indian hospitality and a showcase of what India has to offer. So this evening, the great land of India welcomes all her brothers and sisters from around the world. And we both bow down, pranam to all of you.
The joy of cinema, guys, is unmatchable. इसीलिए हम सब यहाँ पर हैं.
Of course.
And we promise you that these 9 days of IFFI are going to be historic as well. चलिए तो फिर शुभ काम में देरी किस बात की शुरू करते हैं.
Every year this iconic film festival just keeps getting bigger and better.
और करिश्मा, I think we both were chosen as hosts for this right reason because cinema में अपार शक्ति है, which means endless power.
Of course.
और cinema में करिश्मा है, which means miracle, नहीं?
सिनेमा में करिश्मा बिल्कुल है, वरना जल्दी बोल, सुबह पनवेल जाना है, एक छोटी सी इंफॉर्मेशन होती है, एक ब्यूटीफुल मोमेंट नहीं.
Absolutely, that's true. And because of this immense power of cinema, हम बचपन से रजनीकांत सर के चश्मे पहन के स्टाइल कॉपी कर रहे हैं. यार देखो, सिनेमा ना है ही ऐसी चीज, अकेले हो तो आपको ना आपका दोस्त बन जाता है.
Of course.
अगर लो फील कर रहे हो तो थेरेप्यूटिक होता है.
Of course. नाइट आउट प्लान करो तो मेमोरीज बनाने का जरिया, और रोमांस क्लासेस सीखना चाहो तो सिनेमा से बेटर ट्यूटर कहाँ मिलेगा पार.
बिल्कुल सही कह रहे हो यार आप. और कहते हैं कि किसी भी इंसान में ना 9 इमोशंस होते हैं, और इन सभी इमोशंस को हम सिनेमा के जरिए फील कर पाते हैं.
Of course, that's true, Apar. Cinema has become the foundation of our civilization, a language that we all understand, a language that helps us grow, a language that exchanges ideas, and that's why over these 9 days, that is from today until the 28th of November, we cinephiles are going to celebrate the joy of cinema.
And for bringing this joy of cinema, we all have to thank the hard-working people behind this. So give it up for the National Film Development Corporation, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, Entertainment, Society of Goa, and Government of Goa. Thank you for providing us this fabulous platform and bringing to us this amazing IFFI.
Ladies and gentlemen, the lighting of the lamp is a time-honored tradition across cultures, and it holds a great importance in Indian culture. ये अंधकार पर रोशनी की जीत को दर्शाता है.
क्रिएटिविटी की लाइट को और उस स्पार्क को जो स्टोरी टेलिंग के पैशन को इग्नाइट करता है.
इसलिए मैं रिस्पेक्टेड डिग्निटरीज को स्टेज पर आने के लिए आमंत्रित करती हूं और इस ट्रेडिशनल इनॉग्रल लैम्प को प्रज्वलित करने की रिक्वेस्ट करती हूं. प्लीज वेलकम ऑन स्टेज
Shri Anurag Singh Thakur, Honorable Minister of Information and Broadcasting.
Dr. Pramod Sawant, Honorable Chief Minister of Goa.
Can we please have you all on the stage to light the lamp और इस पावन अवसर की शुरुआत यार करिश्मा, गोवा बोलने में जितना कम वक्त लगता है ना, उसकी अचीवमेंट्स बताने में उतना ही ज्यादा वक्त लग जाता है.
और इन अचीवमेंट्स की लिस्ट बढ़ाने में जिनका सबसे बड़ा हाथ है, वो मेरे हिसाब से मैन ऑफ द आवर नहीं, सुपरमैन ऑफ द सेंचुरी है. वो है वन ऑफ द मोस्ट लव्ड चीफ मिनिस्टर्स ऑफ गोवा, जिनके विजन और ट्रांसफॉर्मेटिव इनिशिएटिव्स ने गोवा और इफी को सालों साल तरक्की करना सिखाया है. गोवा के ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत।
एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं सर के लिए। प्लीज कम सर।
Good evening, friends. For the inaugural ceremony of 54th International Film Festival of India at Goa, along with me, Shri Anurag Singh Thakurji, Union Minister for the Information and Broadcasting, Dr. L. Muruganji, the Minister for the State, Information and Broadcasting, Shri Sripad Naik, Minister for State, Tourism, Ports and Shipping, Madam Dilaila Lobo, Vice Chairman for the ESJ, Shri Puneet Kumar Goyal, Chief Secretary Goa, ऑल द मिनिस्टर्स एमएलए और खास करके आज के इस माधुरी दीक्षित मैडम, शहीद कपूर, पंकज त्रिपाठी, सनी देवल, all the stars of our film industry, the distinguished guests, esteemed filmmakers, fellow cinephiles, my friends from the electronics and print media, the ladies and gentlemen. It is a moment of a great pleasure to stand before you today as we are set to inaugurate the 54th International Film Festival of India, IFFI Goa. The beautiful seashore, the calm hinterland, and the buzzing event destination named Goa. We welcome you for this annual heartwarming event for this film fraternity. This grand celebration of cinema held in the picturesque state of Goa, the land steeped in the cultural richness and natural beauty, promises to be an unforgettable journey into the mesmerizing the world of films. Being the Chief Minister of Goa, it is my honor to welcome all of you for this week-long event. Dear friends, we all know that cinema is a universal language that transcends the boundaries and unites hearts. It has the power to evoke the multitude of emotions, inspire minds, and challenges perspectives. Cinema is a mirror to society, reflecting our dreams, our struggles, and our aspirations. It is a catalyst for change, prompting us to questions, to empathize, to aspire for a better world. IFFI over the years has emerged as become a cinematic excellence, showcasing the finest work of art from around the globe. IFFI is one of the world's 14 biggest and most prestigious international competition feature film festival that is accredited by International Federation of the Film Producer Association, the international body governing the film festival globally. International film festivals such as Cannes, Berlin and Venice are such other reputed festivals accredited by FIAPF under this category. This year, festival promises to be no different, and with the diverse selection of the films that will take us the journey through the diverse culture, explore universal themes, and celebrates the artistry of the filmmaking. As we embark on the cinematic journey, let us remember that cinema is not merely entertainment, it is an art form that has the power transforming lives. It can ignite our imagination, broaden our horizons, and foster deeper understanding of the world around us. I urge all the cinema enthusiasts and all the stakeholders to immerse yourself in the rich array of the films that IFFI has to offer. The Best Web Series, the award has also been introduced this year. This is aimed at acknowledging, encouraging and honoring the flourishing content and its creator of OTT platform. In addition to above, I would also like to add that Goa is a proud host of IFFI, and we are committed to providing all the necessary support to make this festival success. We are also working to make the Goa a hub for the filmmaking, and we believe that IFFI will play a key role in promoting the Goa as a film-friendly destination. The state of Goa has been successfully playing the host to the International Film Festival of India since 2004, a platform that showcasing India and international films are partitioned from across the globe. In recent years, the Goan film industry itself has grown by leaps and bounds, and it is slowly stepping into the national scene. It is no wonder that the Konkani cinema has carved a place in itself at IFFI. The film festival this year is also be celebrating Goan film under the two distinct sections, either the premier and non-premier section. This year of the 54th edition of the IFFI 2023, the Goan section we received total 20 entries in both the sections, out of which the 7 films are selected by jury members. I am extremely happy to announce that our Entertainment Society of the Goa has already floated the expression of the interest for setting up of Film City in the state. This is our commitment to all the stakeholders associated with the film industry that we will be complete and procedural related with this work in a fast-tracked and time-bound manner. I am really happy that, and with the efforts of my government, the Goa is rapidly emerging as the vibrant destination in terms of wedding, MICE, sports event and convention, etc. Being the permanent venue for IFFI as a feather in the crown of Goa, and we are ensuring that year after year we have improved our capacity and stature as a host. I extend my warmest greeting to all the filmmakers, actors, technicians and film enthusiasts who have gathered here from across the globe. Your passion, dedication and creativity are the lifeblood for cinema. I hope that each frame of cinema on display here transport you to the different world. Let each story touch your soul and let each cinematic experience leave the indelible marks on your mind. I would like to take this opportunity to express my deepest gratitude for the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, the National Film Development Corporation of India, and all the partners who have made this grand celebration of cinema possible. May this year the IFFI be a resounding success, inspiring us, challenging us, and enriching our lives through the transformating power of cinema. I hope that you all have a wonderful time at IFFI and that you take away with you the cherished memory of this festival. मैं फिर एक बार सभी लोगों का गोवा की तरफ से बहुत बहुत स्वागत करता हूं। इस आज़ादी के अमृत काल में जिस तरह से माननीय प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी विकसित भारत 2047 का सपना हमें दिखा रहे हैं, मुझे पता है कि फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में आगे आने वाले 25 साल के लिए हम निश्चित रूप से विकसित भारत की सोच इसी लेवल पे आगे बढ़ाएंगे। इसी वादे के साथ नेक्स्ट ईयर भी इससे ज्यादा बड़ा आयोजन हमारी तरफ से रहेगा। म्हज्या समेस्त गोंयकारांक हांव परत एकदा नेटान ताळयो वाजोवन हांगासर आयिल्ल्या सगळ्या फिल्म इंडस्ट्री वाल्यांचे सगळ्यांचे तुम्ही खूप खूप मनापासून स्वागत करचें। हांव परत एकदा सगळ्यांक येवकार दिता। प्रत्येक इफीक तुम्ही सगळे जाण व्हडा संख्येत हांगासर जमता। 2004 मनोहरबाईन सुरू केल्ल्या ह्या इव्हेंटाक तुम्ही न चुकता येवपी असे लोक आसात तांचे खरोखरच मनापासून स्वागत करता। आणि परत एकदा भारत सरकारचे माननीय प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदीजी आणि आमचे मंत्री बाब अनुराग सिंग ठाकूर हांच्यानी केल्लो सपोर्ट हाच्याच खातीर गोंयाक हे पॉसिबल जाता। त्या खातीर तांकां देव बरें करूं म्हणटा आणि माझी 2 उतरां सोंपयता। जय भारत, जय गोवा।
We would like you to please stay back in order to felicitate the international jury of a film festival.
Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Dr. Pramod Sawantji, Honorable Minister of State for Information Broadcasting, Dr. L. Muruganji, Honorable Minister of State for and our very senior colleague, Shri Shripad Nayak ji, Speaker Goa Assembly, Deputy Chairman our ESG and other ministers of the Goa government, jury members, officials from the Government of India and the Government of Goa, distinguished members of the international jury, and various other jury members, delegates, veterans of the film industry, my dear friends from the media, ladies and gentlemen, Namaskar, a very good evening to all of you. It's my privilege and honor to officially welcome you all to the 54th International Film Festival of India in Goa. The cultural impact of Indian cinema on the lives of not just Indians, but also most South Asians and beyond is enormous. Through the recently concluded G20 presidency, the world witnessed India's multifaceted and multi-layered development model based on development, diversity and democracy. With 1 lakh delegates from more than 125 countries, attending over 200 meetings across India and 60 cities, India's presidency evolved into a people's movement, or as Honorable Prime Minister said, Jan Andolan. ये जन भागीदारी से जन आंदोलन था. Akin to India's approach during the G20 presidency, the main concept and theme of the 54th International Film Festival of India is rooted in the idea of Vasudev Kutumbakam, one earth, one family and one future. The 54th IFFI is all said to be melting pot of myriad voices, vibrant culture, diversities, sheer cinematic excellence, from about 3,000 film submissions, and if I have to be precise, 2,926 in the international section, a whopping 198 films from 78 countries will be screened this year at the 54th IFFI. And the 54th IFFI will showcase 13 worldwide premieres, 18 international premieres, 62 Asia premieres and 89 India premieres. 25 feature films as well as 20 non-feature films will be showcased in the Indian Panorama section, form a broader spectrum of entries. For the next 8 days, Goa will be colored in the grandeur of 54th IFFI, a creativity, cinematic brilliance and sheer entertainment that epitomizes India's growing position as the world's 5th largest market in the media and entertainment space. Yes, I have rightly mentioned it. India, on one hand, has become the 5th largest economy of the world. On the other hand, all because of your efforts, India is the 5th largest in the world media and entertainment industry. And in the coming years, in next 5 years, India is going to be the 3rd largest economy of the world. At the same time, we will also become the 3rd largest market in the media and entertainment space. Similar to the last year, where we initiated many firsts, we continue that spirit with some more firsts that this film festival will witness. For the first time, and from here on, IFFI will bestow an award titled Best Web Series OTT Award, which will acknowledge and honor the transformative role of the original content creators in India, celebrating their contribution to the employment and innovation. And for the first time, IFFI has augmented the scope of Film Bazaar by introducing a well-curated VFX and Tech Pavilion to showcase the latest innovation from the cinema world, a documentary section to its co-production market to support non-fiction storytelling. This year, for the first time, we also present Cinemela, an extravagant celebration of our rich diversity and culture with the showcase of regional films, food, music, culture, and many more. Next up, we are introducing a restored, as you have seen the video here, of the restored classic section feature films. We're going to show you about 7 world premieres of the meticulously restored masterpieces of the NFDC and NFAI under the National Film Heritage Mission. And moving on to something that is very close to my heart, which I started about a couple of years back. Where are the 75 creative minds sitting? We started about 2 years back. This is the third batch, and we got more than 600 applications this year, and they are selected from every nook and corner of the country. As Prime Minister Modi's vision to provide the youth the platform to showcase their talent, and this year, from among 600 such applications, 75 young filmmakers have been handpicked from 19 states, including from the remote areas like Bishnupur, Jagat Singhpur and Sardarpur. ऐसी नाम जो आपने शायद कहीं नहीं सुने होंगे, लेकिन इन 75 लोगों के नाम आप आने वाले वर्षों में फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में एक बड़े चमकते हुए नामों में सुनोगे, ये मेरा पूर्ण विश्वास है. And we are thrilled to announce for the first time ever a recruitment drive for these creative minds this year, opening up the doors to limitless opportunities for bringing limitless opportunities to their blossoming talents and career trajectories. The Honorable Prime Minister time and again emphasized on building an accessible India with Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas. Today, we aspire to add another dimension to this vision, Sabka Manoranjan, that is entertainment for all. Inclusivity remains a guiding principle for the 54th IFFI, as well as all venues for this year's festival will be equipped with facilities catering to the specially abled, जिनको कभी disabled कहा जाता था, हमारी सरकार specially abled भी कहती है, विकलांग नहीं दिव्यांग कहती है और उनके लिए सुविधाएं भी देती है. ना केवल सारी जगहों पर सिनेमा थिएटर्स में जाने की सुविधा होगी, मैं ये कहना चाहता हूं इन सब के लिए विजुअली और हियरिंग इंपेयर्ड के लिए हम ऑडियो डिस्क्रिप्शंस और साइन लैंग्वेज का प्रावधान भी करने जा रहे हैं. ये पहली बार होने जा रहा है, ये भी मैं यहां पर कहना चाहूंगा. It gives me immense joy to tell you that the Government of India has taken several measures in the recent past to augment the media and entertainment sector in India. Recently, under the able leadership of Prime Minister Modi, the Cinematograph Act, which was amended and it stands now as Cinematograph Amendment Bill 2023, received approval from both the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. This legislation not only broadens the legal framework, shifting its focus beyond censorship to encompassing the copyright protection, but also introduces vigorous measures against piracy. अगर कोई अब हमारे फिल्म निर्माता, निर्देशक या हमारे किसी भी स्टार का, चाहे सनी देओल हो या शाहिद कपूर हो, कोई भी हो, या बड़े हमारे डायरेक्टर्स हो, इनके काम को चुराकर अगर कोई दिखाएगा तो उसको 3 साल की सजा, 3 लाख रुपए से लेके 5% फिल्म बनाने की कॉस्ट तक उनको जुर्माना हो सकता है. ये न्याय दुनिया में बहुत कम देशों में दिलाया गया है, ये भारत सरकार ने मोदी जी के अंतर्गत कर दिया है. Now let me come to what we said last year. Last year in the Cannes Film Festival, we introduced the incentive scheme for the production of foreign films in India, offering a reimbursement of up to 30% of their expenses incurred in India, capped at 2.5 crore rupees. We realized that given India's size and vast potential, there was a need for higher incentive to attract medium and big budget international projects. Today I am pleased to announce an increase in the incentive for foreign film production in India. The maximum incentive will now be up to 40% of the expenditure incurred, with a raised limit of rupees 30 crore rupees, exceeding 3.5 million US dollars. $3.5 million US dollar तक आपको इसमें लाभ मिल सकता है, and you can also get additional 5% bonus for significant Indian content. सभी गोवा वासियों का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. जय हिंद, जय भारत.